Do you want to instantly share files and photos between Apple devices? Airdrop makes it simple with no cables, cloud storage, or apps required. Just select a file and send it. Here's how to use Airdrop on your phone, iPad, or Mac. First, turn on Airdrop. On your iPhone or iPad, go to Settings, tap General, then Airdrop, and choose either Contacts Only or Everyone for 10 minutes. You can also enable it from the Control Center by pressing and holding the network settings card. On a Mac, open Finder, click Airdrop in the sidebar, and choose either Contacts Only or Everyone under Allow Me to be discovered by. If Bluetooth isn't on, you'll be prompted to turn it on. To airdrop from iPhone to iPhone, select the photo, tap Share, choose Airdrop, and pick the recipient. If both devices have iOS 17 and are in each other's contacts, just bring them close to start the transfer. To airdrop between iPhone and Mac, open the file, tap Share, select Airdrop, and choose the device you're sending it to. Photos sent to iPhone will appear in the Photos app, and files sent to Mac will go to Downloads. If you're receiving an airdrop, an alert will pop up asking you if you want to accept or decline the transfer. And for automatic airdrop transfers between Apple devices, simply ensure both devices are signed in with the same Apple ID. Having trouble with airdrop? First, ensure both devices have it enabled, are within 30 feet of each other, and aren't using a personal hotspot. Restarting your device can help, and if issues continue, check your airdrop preferences and Mac's firewall settings. For larger bulk transfers, apps like AnyTrans, Dropshare, and Dropzone from Setapp can make the process easier and faster. AnyTrans allows bulk transfers without interruptions. Dropshare lets you send password-protected files, and Dropzone simplifies sending files with a drag-and-drop interface. You can try these and over 240 other apps with a 7-day free trial today. So, that's how to use Airdrop. What's the coolest thing you've ever shared using Airdrop? If this was helpful, like, share, and subscribe for more Apple tips. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions. Thanks for watching.